joints move freely, they move freely back here, when your head's back where it should be. When it comes forward, the bones want to lock, losing the motion and causing weak muscles. Weak muscles in the neck correlate with tight shoulder and painful muscles down here, because now these muscles here, a leverage system has to hold the head back now. It's working too hard. Okay? The first thing I want people to do and understand that is make these muscles looser on the actual shoulder, the upper trap muscle itself. Okay, that connects from your shoulder, point of your shoulder to the base of your skull. Okay, you want to do that by bringing, in this sense, because right now I'm facing you guys on my left hand side, bring my right hand behind my left ear, left ear. Okay, and then from there, turn your head to your left shoulder, and then letting the weight of your arm pull your head toward your body. Okay, anyone feel that? Okay, so want the weight of your arm to let your head come toward your body, so it comes down toward your body. Get that muscle to stretch. It's a rotation with natural flexion coming forward. Any questions about that?
This is harder than a new position for sex.
I'm going to cut that out later. Sorry about that. Okay, so here, switch sides too. Other side. Okay, let's do this. Left hand now behind your right ear. Let your head naturally turn to your right shoulder. Now let the weight of your arm again pull down toward your body. That should feel tight, maybe sore, but not painful. Okay, when you stretch, stretching should feel tight and sore, but not painful. If it's painful, then it makes the muscle guard tight, makes your body worse. You're almost causing more problems in your body by causing a painful stretch. Okay, when I tell my patients hold between 30 seconds to a minute, that's enough time, 30 seconds to a minute, to make ligaments in your spine stretch along with the muscle, so everything's being relaxed and stretched, and over time more motion. Okay, any questions about that? Going back, we want more motion. That brings things stay strong and don't become weak. Okay? After I've done that one to make these muscles looser, what happens is now we want the head over time. Someone says they're sore, but they're not in pain anymore. Okay, it's sore, but it's tight, but not sharp pain.